Welcome to LKR Prince Basic English School. So student, actually we already started concept. The name of concept is the type of decomposition reaction. And types of decomposition reaction, there are the three types, we know that. One is the thermal decomposition reaction. Second one is the electrolytic decomposition reaction. Third one is the photo decomposition reaction. In today's class, we will study second one type of decomposition reaction. The name of this type of decomposition reaction is the electrolytic decomposition reaction. Now, I will write the first one definition. Electrolytic decomposition reaction, it is defined as the reaction which take place when electric current is passed through the compound in a molten or in aqueous state. So this is the simple one definition. Now name itself. What is the name? Electrolytics. Electrolytics means actually it is related to the electric current. So means what? When electric current is passed, it is passed through the compound. But that compound, it is always present in which it is present in the molten state or present in the aqueous state. Molten or aqueous means it is present in liquid state, having higher amount of liquid, excessive amount of liquid. So at this condition, that is the decomposition reaction takes place. Decomposition reaction is actually from single reactant to one more product. So we are in the best example, that is first example. We know that sodium chloride we have to take NaCl, but this sodium chloride, it is always taken in a molten state, in aqueous state. Now this sodium chloride, when electric current is passed, electric current is passing through this sodium chloride. When it is passing through the sodium chloride, they form, that is the one, it is the sodium metal is formed. What it forms? Sodium metal. And second one, it is actually formed the Cl2 gas. Chlorine gas, it is actually UR, and to balance the chemical reaction, we take twice NaCl, then twice Na solid and Cl2 gas. This is the first example. In this example, we can simply say that in this example, that the decomposition reaction is take place. That is breaking of single reactant into two products. So that's why it is decomposition reaction. And this reaction takes place because of the electric current. It is passed through this sodium chloride. So that's why the name of this type of decomposition reaction is the electrolytic decomposition reaction. It is the first one example. We having second one example, that is the aluminium oxide. Al2 aluminum O3. It is a simple formula. We again take it is into the molten state, and now electric current is passed. What it passed now? Electric current is passed, and when electric current is passed, at this condition it forms the aluminium and oxygen gas, O2 gas. For this we need to balance. O3 is there, so simply we take twice O3. This now 3 O, and how much aluminium? 4, that is 4 Al, and this oxygen gas is released. This is formed. One is the aluminium metal and second one is the oxygen gas. Means when the molten state of this alumina or aluminium oxide is passing through electric current, then it forms the aluminium, and second one is the oxygen gas. Is from single reactor, two product is formed. So that's why this is again the which type of the decomposition reaction, electrolysis. So to understand again this concept, in our syllabus we have given one activity. What we have given? One activity we have given. To study electrolytic decomposition of water. To, what is our aim? To study electrolytic decomposition of water. This is our simple activity there. So in this activity we require, that is requirement or apparatus. Okay, in this activity we will take that is the 2 test tube. Okay, after that 2 electrode. 2 electrode is one is the cathode and second one is the anode. Means it is the cathode and this is anode. It is again required. Again one mug. Actually this is mug or it is the glass. We again use here. So actually we will also use the 6-volt battery. So this is the 6-volt battery we again use in this activity. After that we also require that is the water in this reaction. So these are the sufficient or our requirement. Now we will apply the procedure. I will explain the procedure by using one simple schematic diagram. Take one mug. So actually this is actually one mug. Okay. So drill the mug. Means actually 2 holes we require. Here 1 hole and this is the second hole. Drill the mug on the base side, on the bottom side. It is simply okay. After that is the take 2 electrode and actually first attach that is the rubber stopper. So rubber stopper is attached here. Again now we will take that is the 2 electrode. One is the anode and second one is the cathode. So 2 electrodes actually is used. This is actually we use anode, and second we will use cathode. These are the two electrode. It is again actually attached. Now take a connecting wire. This is one connecting wire and this is again second one connecting wire, and this two connecting wire, it is attached to the actually 6-volt battery. These two connecting wire is attached with the 6-volt battery. After that, take two test tubes. That both test tube is filled with water, and both test tube it is connected to this electrode. Here both test tube we actually taken, and both test tube actually it is connected to the water. These are the test tube. It is electrode. One is the anode, and second one electrode is the cathode. These are the two electrodes. So actually in this condition, where we will, that is the inward again water will fill up water. What we will fill up, that is water, it is also fill up, and in this beaker, that is water is also there. Now this is the simple procedure related to this activity. Now after this procedure, start the electric current, provide the electric current in this activity by using this 6-volt battery. When electric current is passes, then that is the gas, it is actually released. What is released? Actually gas is released. Okay. So here again and here it is again, and at this state, that is the one, here oxygen is formed, and here that is the hydrogen is formed. One case oxygen, and second one situation, that is the oxygen it is actually formed. Means we will simply say that when hydrogen is formed, at this situation, that is the popping sound is produced. Which sound is produced? Popping sound is produced, and this oxygen it is totally released from this reaction. Means our chemical reaction, you can simply represent H2O, it is a liquid. Okay, electric current is passed, then it forms H2 gas, and second O2 gas. H2 and O2 gas is formed, and to balance the reaction, taking twice H2. This is the popping sound is produced. Okay. So this type of observation we will get. Electric current, popping sound actually present, so twice H2 for hydrogen and 2 oxygen, means that this type of the chemical reaction it is actually taking place. Okay, so from the single reactant 2 product is formed. One is the hydrogen and second one oxygen, and we conclude that this is electrolytic decomposition reaction. Which type of decomposition reaction? Electrolytic decomposition reaction, because the separation of one reactant into 2 products, and this takes place because of electric current. So thank you.